In this lesson, we will be learning our next chord, which is called D minor. To play the chord D minor, we place our second finger in the second fret on the first string, which is the G string. Then we place our third finger in the second fret on the second string, which is the C string. And finally, we place our first finger in the first fret on the third string, which is the E string. When playing the chord D minor, you can play all the strings. So let's play the chord D minor together using strum 1, which is down, down, up. And we will start after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D minor, D minor, D minor,